Deleting a MoneyGram account is a straightforward process, though it may require some steps depending on whether you're using the website or a mobile app. Here's how to delete your MoneyGram account. Log into your MoneyGram account. Visit the MoneyGram website or open the MoneyGram mobile app. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Request account deletion. Look for an option to delete account or close account. This may be labeled differently depending on the platform. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions or provide a reason for closing the account. Confirmation. After requesting account deletion, MoneyGram will send a confirmation email or SMS with instructions to finalize the process. Await final closure. Once confirmed, your account will be deleted. Any pending transactions will be cancelled, and you will not have access to your account or transaction history.